Hello beautiful people, this is Ankita Bhardwaj. Welcome to the channel Ankita's Divine Tarot. This channel is all about pick a card readings, zodiac sign readings, monthly predictions and some spiritual stuff. So if you are interested, then please don't forget to subscribe. Now today this is a very general message that I got during my meditation, and if you see this video out of the blue today, then for sure this is a message for you. If you have been manifesting something in your life, if you have been praying a lot for something in your life, if you have gone through a lot in your life, if you are feeling very stagnant, if you're feeling very confused, if you're feeling very stressed out, and if you have prayed so much, if you have been having this feeling that I'm praying but nothing is happening, I'm praying to my God but nothing is actually coming true, is it going to happen or not, then today I have a message for you that for sure whatever you have been manifesting, whatever you have been praying so hard for, whatever you have gone through, it is going to end now. Your manifestation is going to come true. Your wishes are going to come true. Your prayers are going to be answered. God is right near you. God is listening to you. God has seen your pain. God has seen whatever you have gone through, and finally He is listening to you. He is going to give you what you deserve. Your prayers are going to be answered. Please don't worry. Please have this faith inside you. Whatever has been holding on to you till now, have that faith that it is going to happen, and for sure you are just away, you are just 10 days away from your manifestation, from your breakthrough. Finally your wishes are going to come true. Whatever you have been wanting so badly, that is going to happen. You just have to ask the God that please show me the signs, please show me that you are near me, God, and He is going to show you. Trust me, was a very strong message that I got today in the meditation, and I'm pretty sure that it was for somebody out there. If you see this video out of the blue, this message for sure is for you, that something, some breakthrough is going to come your way in just 10 days. In just within 10 days, God is going to listen to you. Have faith on that God, and have faith on your manifestation, on your wishes. Have faith that you deserve good. Have faith that whatever you have been giving is now going to come to you. So please don't worry. If you feel like giving up, you don't have to give up. The angels, your spirit guides, they are all with you. They are listening to you, and that's why maybe I had the need, I had this calling to give you this message today, and that's why maybe you saw this video today. So everything, there is no coincidence. Everything happens for you for a reason, and you need to understand that now. God is going to reciprocate. God is going to respond. Maybe He takes time, maybe things happen in a slow manner, but they are going to happen. Whatever you want, whatever you have been crying for, whatever, God has seen you cry. God has seen your pain deep inside. He knows what you have been going through, and finally it is going to be worth. Trust me, the breakthrough is going to be worth all of your pain, all of that you have gone through. So please have the faith, have the trust, and please let me know in the comments if this was a message for you or not. I would feel very much blessed. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.